Hey legend, thank you for cruising by my channel where I talk about dual enrollment, business, and tech. My name is Amara, also known as A Young Legend, and today I'm going to share with you how to make a website. Welcome to part 1 of the website series. I decided to start a website series to help you through building a website from beginning to end, and make sure to subscribe so you can get notified of part 2 and part 3 of the website series. So building a brand, whether it is personal or professional, starts with a website. This is really for you as the brand owner to display your products and services or type of content, for them to be notified of any new releases, any discounts, any sales, and then really how to support you in the best way, and also how to contact you if they're interested and want to learn more. Your website really encompasses everything that you need as a brand owner. So here are 6 easy ways to begin building a website. Step 1 starts with finding inspiration. Find at least 5 websites that you really like, or there's something specific about them you would like to replicate. This will be your foundation for building a website to your liking. So I am currently digging more than 5 websites, but I want to share them with you all. We have Jessica Macy's website, Kaylee Nicole, Erin May Henry, Vanessa Lau, RubyLee.co. I also have the Voyage Society, MyFab Finance, and now my website is my own inspiration, and you can use it as yours in the future. So go to ayounglegend.com and see what you like about mine and make it on yours. Step 2, select a website builder and a website host. There are 2 methods of building a website. The first is using the same website builder as your host, or choosing a separate website builder and a separate host. How to create your website with a website builder. So besides paying for a designer or an agency to build your website from scratch and customize to your liking, you can also use free website builders. So if you are interested to learn more besides that few that I will give you, make sure to Google free website builders and see what you like. I'm going to be sharing with you 4 website builders that I personally know or know that other people with businesses like, and make sure to choose the features carefully. They can really be specific to what you and your business is looking for. The first website builder that I'm going to share with you is Weebly.com. I created my blog in 2017 with Weebly. It's a great beginning platform for you to get the job done. If you have a blog, a business, a brand, a personal website, any of that, you can use Weebly.com as a starting point. The second website builder and host is Wix.com. My website is now hosted and it was built on Wix. I love it because it allows me to fully customize my site cost effectively using my premium plan. Number 3 is Squarespace.com. So you may have seen some of your favorite YouTubers mention that their video is sponsored by Squarespace. Beyond having a great marketing strategy, it is really known for its clean and simple design, its user-friendly shop features, and 24/7 support. Number 4 is WordPress.com. WordPress is a great alternative if you are interested in blogging or having a lot more control over your website. But this does require you to download it as an application and set it up. If you're interested in pursuing this as your website builder, you can click the link in the description box to access my blog post that goes into this video a lot more in depth, and you can find a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. For the second method of making your website with a separate website builder and a website host, I'm going to share with you a few resources to do that. You can build your website with WordPress.org and use another provider to host your site, like Bluehost, SiteGround, GoDaddy, as just to name a few. And make sure you click the link in the description box to get that blog post, because it provides a resource on the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org and how to navigate WordPress.org step by step. Step 3 of making your website is choosing a free or premium plan. Some of the website builders that I mentioned allow you to make a website for free, but they will display advertisements on your site like this. You can purchase a premium account on all the website builders so that you don't have advertisements displayed on your site, like my website, ENROLLMENT.com. If you want a completely free website with no monthly expenses, then leave the ads on and focus on posting quality content. There's no need for perfection the first time around for your brand if you just don't have the money. Step 4. Pages of a website. If you are creating a portfolio, resume, or personal branding website, consider making it a one-pager. It's easy for you to build and easy for your audience to navigate. If you fall within the other category, here's a basic outline of the pages you may need on your website: a home, about, services or shop, blog, and a contact page. And feel free to add or drop wherever it fits your branding website. Among the pages that can easily be found in your navigation, here are a few pages that you should keep hidden but would be useful to your brand: a links page, a subscribe to email list page, and an opt-in page where you give them free information in exchange for their email information. Step 5. Website elements. Before you fill in your website, make sure to click the links in the description box to receive a free SEO checklist and a free branding guide. Now it's time to add in the content of your website. Key elements to add to your homepage are a video or image to make a good first impression, a brief about section, 3 quick actions to your blog post, to a few videos, your opt-in freebie or some of the products that you offer that would be a great deal for them, and your next steps to lead them to another page on your website. Key elements to add to your about page are mission, vision, background, how your brand helps the client or customer, and last, the people who are employed or contribute to your brand. Key elements to add to your services or shop page are what you offer. And make sure to use the built-in features of your website builder to help build these user-friendly options. And if you don't have your services or products yet, make sure to put a preview box of coming soon and prompt them to enter the email address to be notified of those new releases. Key elements to add to your blog page are what your blog covers, filters for people to choose posts based off of their interests, and an option to read all the blog posts that you've written. Key elements to add to your contact page are a contact form. If there's anybody that your client or customer can reach out to with their email address, make sure to provide that there. And lastly, encourage your audience to email and say hi, introduce themselves. If anybody is inquiring about press, make sure that you have an option for that. And then if anybody has any questions about your services, content, or products, you want them to always reach out so that you can get them in the end. Key elements to add to the links page for social media are the resources that you're offering, blog posts, and videos, the type of products, content, services, or just your shop and services page, and lastly, any hidden resources that you want for their email addresses. Provide that all in the links page and put that link in your social media bios. Key elements to add to your subscribe to email list page are the type of content that they will receive in their email, when and how often they can expect it, and anything that they would benefit from, like your opt-in freebies or any other product, services, discounts, coupons, anything that you could throw at them to get their email address and eventually sell them later on your brand or mission. Make sure to do that in that page. Key elements to add in your opt-in freebie page are what your freebie is, why they should do it, what are the benefits of it, why are you qualified, and of course a place to subscribe. And tell them how they will receive it, if it will be their email 24 hours later or they will be directed to another page with your hidden resource library. Last, additional features that you can add to your homepage that I have not mentioned are a header with your logo and navigation, a footer for social media, and then of course you could do additional hidden pages for disclaimers, terms and conditions, and FAQs. Step 6 of making a website is your domain name. So have you thought about your brand or company name? Now it's time to make that your domain name. I have 2 domain names, ENROLLMENT.com and DualEnrollment.co. Did you hear the endings on that? .com and .co? You could create endings for your website. There's endless opportunities. For example, there's a website called womenin.digital, and those are just a few of the examples. A domain name could cost anywhere from 99 cents to thousands of dollars depending on if it already gets organic traffic and if it's up for sale. Most of the website builders like Wix, Weebly, etc. all provide you a free link that you can use with your website. For example, when I created my website with Weebly, it was alegend.weebly.com. If you want to purchase a domain name preventing the builder from advertising itself within your link, make sure to use GoDaddy, Bluehost, or SiteGround, just to name a few where you can purchase your domain names. Once you choose a provider like GoDaddy, make sure to search the name that you would like and see if it's available for purchase. If so, purchase it. And next, if you have a premium account, you can easily connect with your website builder and the domain name so that when people go to, for example, aonlegend.com, it will take you right to your site. And if you don't have the money or for the premium account, make sure you can redirect or mask your site with no monthly cost associated. And for example, if they were to go to aonlegend.com, it might redirect them to aonlegend.weebly.com, or it can mask that Weebly and no one would see it on any of the pages. Now that you have combined some of your favorite websites with sample web elements you need to be effective, you are ready to launch. So make sure to put your website link in your Instagram bio, Twitter profile, Pinterest, email signature, LinkedIn, just to name a few. And make sure to comment down below and share with me if you have any questions, how you plan to build your website, or if you already built your website and what you did to do that. Make sure to subscribe for part 2 of the website series on 8 reasons to have a website and next week's video on dual enrollment versus AP. Make sure to click the links in the description box for free SEO checklist, free branding guide, free guide on how to start a business, free guide on graduating high school and college early, all of them down below, and this blog post to go more in depth on the details that you need to build your website. And as always, remember, every young legend started out with a dream to be legendary. Bye, legend.